Hi, English learners. English Teacher KBob here. Did you know the English alphabet sounds nothing like its names? A, B, C. A is not only A, it's A, like apple. B is not B, it's B, like ball. C can be like K, like cat, or an S, like scent. Learning the sounds of letters helps you pronounce, spell, and read correctly. Don't just memorize names, master the sounds. English vowels, even trickier. I already mentioned A. It says A, but it also says A, like in cat. U says its own name in use, but it also says like cup. Want a free worksheet? Visit EnglishTeacherKBob.com or grab the full lesson from my TPT store. There's a link in the description. Have a good day. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.